Justice in Queensland is getting a makeover with a new court complex. But the old courts have seen their fair share of criminals and cads, as Chloe Baker found out on an exclusive behind-the-scenes tour.
True stories stranger than fiction have unfolded in the Supreme and District Courts for 150 years.
I am innocent. I always will be.
These rooms have witnessed the state's most historic and horrific cases.
We had to confine the accused within a perspex dock, floor to ceiling. It was quite traumatic, actually, for everybody involved.
There's been plenty of Pollies: Pauline Hanson, Gordon Nuttall, Bill Darcy, Keith Wright, Mary Rose and, of course, Sir Joe. Juries were once locked up here while they deliberated. Their safety was always a concern.
The judge decided that she'd ferry the jurors to and from home on limousines and things like that, so and we had to arrange, that they didn't go through public areas.
Never before have cameras been allowed behind the scenes here in the Supreme Court building, and with so many high-profile cases here in Queensland, so many high-profile defendants have sat in these very cells pondering their fate.
They're places where conflict reigns, really. Disputes are aired, penalties are imposed, people are punished.
Neil Hansen started work at the Supreme Court 42 years ago. He was the sheriff during the Fitzgerald inquiry.
Things that happened afterwards and during the inquiry and whatever, and it was amazing.
The buildings are old and earmarked for demolition. A move to the new multi-million-dollar complex is underway. It's contemporary and high-tech.
It's spectacular. This is the People's Court, and I hope the people will come and look at it.
The first sittings will be mid-August. Chloe Baker, 10 News.